Hello everybody and welcome to Tea and Telly with your host Maria and special guest Mr. Muffin. Today I'm going to tell you how we finally germinated the bamboo seeds, what we think worked the best, and we'll be giving instructions at the bottom of the description in the video where we learned how to get started. And here I'm taking the seeds out of the skin. Two little separate bowls there, one for the seeds and the other one with the seeds naked. And here's where we're going to mix filtered water with the salt. I used pink rock salt. The description will tell you how many of those little bad boys you put in there. And I put it in exact. Alright, then we wait for those, I believe, 15 minutes, and Mr. Muffin is helping me. He's waiting too. Then the video will tell you how you remove it from the salt water. And, well, I guess I could have used a strainer for this. I think Muffin's trying to tell me, but he's going to let me figure that out on my own. Yes, I know. Yeah, I should have used a strainer. I think he's getting impatient here. Stupid human. He's quite the little helper. So a lot of them will be at the end or bottom of the cup. Pop those guys out. And then you try to get as much of that salt water off as possible. And after that, we're gonna put these guys back in filtered water, nice and clean filtered water. He's got to have a little drink, of course. Anyway, carefully put those back. There we go. And the cup. Plop. Don't leave any of them out. No, you can't drink from that. Now, I didn't get to film the part about how I put it together with the soil and planting of the seeds, but I did it exact to the video. And now, the results. Okay, now quiet on the set. Okay, so we wanted to show a few stages in the germination process. We have two different types of seeds, and we tried a variety of things, and I'll go over that with the first one. This here is our first batch with one type of seed. Don't lock me out that door. Yeah, okay. Partner trying to lock me out the door. Okay. He thinks he's funny. Okay, so anyway, this is our first batch. As you can see, we have a growth here, and we have a few little ones coming in. And these are probably about a month ago, maybe. All right, so this is the first one, and I will mention which kind of seeds they are and where they're from. Here is our second one. Okay, sorry, these guys over here on this side are not bamboo. We just had extra spots and wanted to plant something else. Okay, but these guys over here on this side, the right side, are bamboo. This is our second batch. And you see there are a little more that came out. Got them to germinate a little bit. Let me add that with the first batch, we were not knowing what we were doing, so we just kind of planted them. I think I soaked them for like, I don't know, 24 hours. And I don't even know if I did it right because I can't even remember. Now these guys, I finally watched another guy's video on how he did it. Gave some really good tips. This one came out much better. These were soaked for, was it 1 day? So I soaked them for 1 day, and I did it with the instructions. And so they're going pretty good. These are probably about maybe a month old also. I think these are a little bit more than a month old, and then these are about a month old. Now, here's the one that really gets me. I'm so excited. Okay. This little guys here are our last batch. Can you believe that? The last ones planted just a few weeks ago as well, different strand of seeds. And if you notice, the ones I started before didn't come out very well. Then the next batch came out okay. But these guys are doing wonderful. These guys, I soaked them for about 2 days. So 2 days seems to be the sweet spot for those of you that are having trouble germinating bamboo seeds. If you're getting results like those guys down there, yeah, that didn't come out so well. I think that was our very, very first batch, and I don't know. We're gonna try to revive some, but anyway. So from our first batch to our second batch to our last batch, 2 days, the sweet spot. So it does say you can do it for 24 to 48 hours, and 48 hours definitely seems to be the sweet spot. Look how many of them germinated. I hope it's in focus because my eyes are bad. Anyway, yeah, good crop, 2 days, and only a few weeks old. So, I'll give more instructions on germinating seeds.